Hey everyone, ever wondered if Hamster Combat mining can actually turn into real money, or if it's just a lot of hype? Imagine this, you're eyeing that shiny new gadget or dreaming of a nice vacation, and you're wondering if Hamster Combat is your ticket to making those dreams a reality. In this video, we're going to uncover the truth about Hamster Combat's earning potential and give you the lowdown on what to expect, especially with the huge airdrop coming up on September 26th. Stick around, because this could be either the biggest crypto payout ever or a major letdown. Let's dig into the facts and figure out if Hamster Combat is worth your time or just another overhyped project. So here's the deal. Hamster Combat has been making waves with some bold claims. Some folks are talking about making enough money to buy a new car or even more. But is that really the case? Or are we looking at nothing more than wishful thinking? I'm going to break down all the numbers and provide you with the evidence you need to set your expectations right. First off, mark your calendars for September 26th, the day Hamster Combat is set to hit the OKX and Bybit exchanges. If you've been following along, you know this date is crucial. But before you get too excited about striking it rich, let's take a closer look. While listing on OKX and Bybit is a significant milestone, it's not the end of the story. We need to consider other major exchanges as well. Hamster Combat has caught a lot of attention, but is it just another flash in the pan? Hamster Combat has daily tasks, rewards, and combo bonuses. But what really matters is the withdrawal potential. The real question is, what can you actually cash out? What are we withdrawing from? The coin balance or the profit per hour? This is a crucial point that we need to address. Now here's where things get intriguing. Did you know Hamster Combat's community is enormous, around 300 million strong? Let's do a little math. If each user could potentially withdraw an average of $25, that would total a staggering $7.5 billion. That's right, billion with a B. Even if the average payout is just $10, we're looking at $3 billion in total payouts. Drop it down to $5 per user, and we're still talking about $1.5 billion. But let's be realistic. Is this really going to happen? Or is it just a grandiose fantasy? The numbers are eye-popping, but without solid backing, big-name partners, and listings on major exchanges like Binance, this could be risky. The token supply also remains a mystery. Without knowing the total circulation, we can't predict the market cap or listing price accurately. So, what's the takeaway? We might be on the verge of a massive airdrop, but there are significant risks involved. Limited exchange listings and a lack of substantial backing should temper your expectations. Personally, I'm more excited about their potential NFTs than the airdrop itself. Given the growing trend in the gaming and crypto space, NFTs could play a big role. Whether you're a fan of NFTs or just here for the airdrop, stay tuned for updates. I'll be bringing you the latest news and insights to help you navigate this wild Hamster Combat journey. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.